Meaning of firearm.
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 Firearm. A firearm is a weapon that uses explosive materials to propel a projectile, typically a bullet, out of a barrel at high speeds. Firearms come in various shapes and sizes, ranging from pistols and rifles to shotguns and machine guns. They are used for a wide range of purposes, including hunting, self-defense, law enforcement, and military operations. While firearms can be dangerous if not handled properly, they also have practical applications and are enjoyed by many as a hobby or sport.